Welcome back guys, today we will draw a ball gown. You can consider it for your engagement party or you can also wear it in a sangeet night. Start the sketch with face and other body parts, then shape the dress pattern and start coloring the skin. This dress can be a fantastic choice, if you are a bride-to-be. Paint green color all over the dress except the neck area and sleeves. This beautiful gown is in bottle green net fabric embellished with lots of glitters and sequins. It will be a very gorgeous dress for an engagement night, it will make the bride very graceful and pretty. And it's time to add some glitters in this beautiful ball gown. Make sure that you don't overlap the glitters. And at the end you can always enhance the final look with a touch of some jewelry. Thank you for watching guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.